If your Acadia's AC feels more like a hairdryer than an icebox, don't panic. You're not alone. This is a common issue. Let's get to the bottom of it. The air conditioner compressor is the heart of your car's cooling system. When it stops working, the cold air disappears. But why does this happen? First, check the basics. Sometimes your car could be low on refrigerant. This is the cold stuff your AC needs to work. If it leaks out, the compressor can't do its job. Next, think about power. The compressor uses electricity just like your phone charger. If a fuse is blown or a wire is loose, the compressor won't turn on. Another reason could be the AC clutch. This tiny part connects the compressor to the engine. If it's worn out, the compressor can't spin, and you get no cold air. Also, sensors and switches keep everything running smoothly. If one of these is broken, the AC system might shut off to protect itself. And finally, sometimes the compressor itself is just old or damaged. Like any hard-working part, it can wear out over time. If your GMC Acadia's air isn't getting cold, start with these simple checks. And remember, for big repairs, it's always safest to let a professional take a look. Now you know the main reasons your AC compressor might quit. Stay cool, and thanks for watching why your GMC Acadia's AC compressor isn't working.